Hey guys, welcome to another day on the shop. Today's not really a car video because I left my memory cards at home. Today I'm at work right now, taking a little break, getting to work out on my fitness. Perspirating a little bit because it's like a sauna in here, like always. But yeah, so we got all kinds of equipment in here, and I'll say health is a big part of your life and making you live longer and feel better and be more energetic and everything else, as well as look better aesthetically in the mirror or in public, depending on what you wear. If you wear clothes or you don't wear clothes. So we'll talk while we work out. I got a couple more sets to do, and we'll figure this out. All right, it's kind of loud in here, but I'm not a fitness guru. I'm not an athletic trainer. I like to work out and I like to lift things and put them down. So we're just lifting and straining today, trying to build some arm muscle. And I can't keep count while I talk because it doesn't happen like that. So we're going to go until I feel like quitting. And we're going to talk about a couple of things. Dealing with car stuff. One video you're going to see coming up, I am putting my boat up for sale, and I'm sad about it. It's on Facebook Marketplace right now. It is about 40 or 50 messages into it with that many people. So trying to get it sold, because money's going to go into a different project after this. Hopefully fix one and give me some tires, because I need about 10 sets of tires right now. A lot of them are dry rotted and old because they've been sitting up for years. A lot of them are just getting used up and they need to be replaced. So got that project. Been working on my other boat, putting a stereo in. That's another video, and it was a shorter video. Now it's probably going to be a longer video. I don't know yet, because I still got more things to do. I'm running the wire. Found out that the stereo worked. Doesn't sound too bad. Could be better. It's not as loud as I want, but if I want, I'll put an amplifier in it and we'll figure out from there. We'll talk about future plans. Future plans, let's see. Eventually, and this is a goal of mine, the 240 is not a track car for me. It's a cruiser. And it being a cruiser, I don't want to build it as a track car. It's got aftermarket parts on it to make it better, more fun. Replaced a bunch of different things with it, but it's, like I said, not a track car for me. So optimum deal is I'll be looking for a track car in the next couple months, and we've got to get a trailer project going so we can trailer that around, or if not, other purchases that we make to go around, redo, and sell. All right, we get back to the next step. In essence, my buddy with the NC Miatas coming in town, well, he's moving, and that means track days. Not just for me, but for him too. And looking at his channel and how he builds his NC, as well as road trips. So track car, road trips. We can get the Camaro going like I want. More road trips, more track days at the drag strip, and then we can start playing with that. Another project I haven't really introduced is going to be another street strip vehicle, and that's what the money from the boat's getting into. My hands are shaking, I'm sorry. We'll just set you down again. But whew. So managing the projects, trying to get through them. We've got quite a few. We need to downsize a little bit. There's stuff in the shop I'm still working on trying to sell because I got more than one of each thing, and making it more optimum to actually be able to work in my shop without a bunch of junk everywhere. Parts and pieces from older builds or from new builds I don't need, they're up for sale. Just trying to get more of a streamlined deal with everything, get my tools in order. I mean, just make it to where it's fun and not a pain in the butt to search through 15 boxes to find one plate piece of metal that goes to one specific car at one specific place. It's no fun. I've had to do that a few times. So it's hot, but so I'm sad because I don't get to go to Slush this year. My plan was kind of to do that. I am going to SEMA. That is 100% in the deal. I've already got my hotel, got to get my plane tickets and my passes for SEMA, but me and Michael are going. We're going to go talk to some people, see more things, go hang out and do some more stuff there, which I'm excited about in November. But I'd say fall-ish, January, February, either one of those, that's when we're going to start getting into the actual track days. Down here in the south, we don't have closures of tracks or drag strips or anything. On top of boat days, hopefully the 18-foot man array is going to get fixed with the little fixes I'm doing. And if it's not and it breaks down on me again, you can just say it's good as gone, because I don't want to work on it anymore. I'll look for the problem as long as I've got it, but it's probably going to go up for sale, and I'm wanting a pontoon boat, so we're going to end up starting to look for pontoons. I like wheeling and dealing, so with that we're going to look for a used pontoon that possibly needs a couple of things, because people don't like working on stuff, and I can get it for a lot cheaper, put a couple $100 into it and have a pontoon. So, all right, next set. Dealing with track cars as we're talking, let's begin to throw in the comments. What would be the best practical track car for, say, under $5 grand? Under $5 grand, something that you don't have to put a whole lot of money and time in. It's almost ready to go out of the box to go to a track with. Track as in road racing, hot laps, and stuff like that. Later, we'll figure out the whole part of drifting, and drag is drag. It's got its own complications. But let's take a minute, do some more sit-ups, and y'all type in the comments down below what you think best track car under $5 grand, track ready, almost track ready for under $5 grand is. Switching subjects again. The reason why I'm talking about health and working out is because as you get older, your body breaks down, gets weaker in your joints, muscles get weaker, they start breaking down. Toxicity in your blood and whatnot, if you're not getting it all out like you should. Sweating, moving, getting your cardiovascular system pumping. I mean, you can end up having strokes and other things like that because of the factor of buildup. But regular blood work as you get older, good diet, good exercise. Been on a routine lately where it's at least 5 days a week to 6 days a week working out pretty good. Light, heavy, strenuous, repetitive, just keeping up with health in general. So down here is becoming to be bikini season, so gotta look good in my bathing suit. That's why I still got one boat. But we got beaches down here, so if you run out of boats, you got a beach at least. Well, this video is getting a little bit long. Tomorrow's video, I'm stuck here again, so I still won't have my memory card to post those other videos. We're trying to stay with one video a day for at least a month. I'm kind of experimenting with my content to see the traction I can get, if I can get any at all. But it's a little bit different episode. Tomorrow's gonna be a little bit different episode. I'll show you a couple of random cool things and we'll look at. Hopefully I can take a trip around work and show y'all some different stuff. But hopefully you put your comments down below for your ideas of what kind of track car and everything else. Any ideas of anything else? But yeah, so sticking with working out. Got a couple more exercises to do, and then tomorrow's a different setup. But do good in your body, your mind, and all around, especially with all that. So you have a lot more healthy, longer life. My hand's still shaking. All right, I'm getting back to it. So if you stuck around this long, I appreciate it. Give it a like, and if you like watching some sort of content like this, let me know, just with your interest of what track car and everything else. And yeah, sit around and talk about more stuff. We can get more in depth in certain things as of either health, exercises, diets, whatever else. This is not a health channel or exercise channel by any means, but if you did like it, let me know, and we'll incorporate some of that in here, and we can do, I guess, once a week workout, diet, nutrition, health, whatever, quick video. So I want to say thank you for joining into another episode of The Shop. If this is your first time, subscribe. There's more. Check out the other videos. Check out the channel at the end, which is 251 Designs. It's all about fabrication and tools and equipment that you would use for fabrication. This channel is about repairs, modifications, and all around things with the car community. I'll say thank you again. Until next time.